Hello people, welcome. Today we will discuss about coronavirus general knowledge. It will be very helpful for upcoming exams. So let's get started. Number 1. What is coronavirus? A. It is a large family of viruses. B. It belongs to the family of nidovirus. C. Both A and B are correct. D. Only A is correct. The correct answer is C. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in A. Beijing, B. Shanghai, C. Wuhan, Hubei, D. Tianjin. The correct answer is C. Number 3. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? A. MERS, B. SARS, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is C. Number 4. Mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are A. Fever, B. Cough, C. Shortness of breath, D. All the above. The correct answer is D. Number 5. From where coronavirus got its name? A. Due to their cone-like projections, B. Due to their leaf-like projections, C. Due to their surface structure of bricks, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Number 6. In which age group the COVID-19 spreads? A. COVID-19 occurred in all age groups. B. Coronavirus infection is mild in children. C. Older person and person with pre-existing medical conditions are at high risk to develop serious illness. D. All the above are correct. The correct answer is D. Number 7. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patients to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. A. Plasma therapy, B. Solidarity, C. Remdesivir, D. Hydroxychloroquine. The correct answer is A. Number 8. What happens to a person suffering from COVID-19? A. Around 80% of the people will require no treatment as such and will recover on their own. B. Around less than 20% or a small proportion may need hospitalization. C. A very small proportion basically suffering from chronic illness may need admission in an ICU. D. All the above are correct. Answer D. Number 9. Name the vaccine that is jointly developed by the German company BioNTech and US pharma giant Pfizer for COVID-19. A. BNT 162, B. Pivac, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is A. Number 10. In a study, which cells are found in COVID-19 patients bode well for long-term immunity? A. P cell, B. D cell, C. T cell, D. Endothelial cells. Answer C. Number 11. How many countries, areas or territories are suffering from novel coronavirus outbreak in the world? A. More than 50, B. More than 100, C. More than 150, D. More than 200. The correct answer is D. Number 12. Name the vaccine whose clinical trials are ongoing in India. A. ZyCoV-D, B. Picovac, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is A. 13. Name the country introduced the Sputnik V vaccine. A. India, B. Russia, C. China, D. America. The correct answer is B. Number 14. The genome size of coronaviruses ranges from approximately A. 10 to 19 kilobases, B. 26 to 32 kilobases, C. 77 to 85 kilobases. D. 65 to 72 kilobases. The correct answer is B. Number 15. Which of the following statement is or are correct about favipiravir? A. Favipiravir is an antiviral COVID-19 drug. B. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals under the brand name Feviflu has launched an antiviral drug favipiravir. C. It is India's first COVID-19 drug launched, price at rate 103 per tablet. D. All the above are correct. The correct answer is D. That's all for today. Hope you must subscribe the channel and click on the all notification bell so that you can get all the notifications for the next time. Thank you.